Hey guys, I'm Azra Khan. Welcome to another video. Today's topic is about we are going to create a batch file which is a matrix. Yes, definitely matrix. It's like a virus you can read with your friends and family. Now let's start the video. First of all, we need to create a new text notepad. Click on it. Type at the rate of echo off. Go double it, then click enter. Then write EUA pause basic pause, then click enter and write COLOR color 08 and then click enter, then write a semicolon, then A, click enter, then write echo echo, then write percent random run then with another percent and copy this text. Control C to copy and Control V to paste. You need to hold it like 5 minutes, then go to other line. And write TO go to A. Then there is an error. You need to write pause in here. I will give the whole code in description. Then click save as. Then click all files. Then click matrix dot draft. Then click save. Voila, it's done. Now click it. See? So it looks like a virus, but it is not virus. It's a random number. You can tweak it with your friends and family. Bye.